Tourist divers keep coming back to the Philippines, and the simplest reason is that we have the best dive sites in the country. With the help of the government and the locals, Philippine dive sites are protected and well maintained. From the dive sites rich in marine life to the creepy ones, the Philippines have something to show off to the world when it comes down to beautiful dive sites. The following are the 10 best dive sites in the Philippines you probably don't even know they exist. 1. Apo Reef. Located in Sablayan, Occidental Mindoro, Apo Reef is one of the most popular dive sites in the Philippines rich in marine life. It is a 34 km reef system, making it the second largest coral system in the world. It is considered to be a natural park, and fishing is completely banned around the area. 2. Malapascua Island. Malapascua Island is being described to be as an isolated beach paradise. Diving in Malapascua Island is really becoming more and more popular, with daily manta and thresher sharks sightseeing. What makes it more interesting is that thresher sharks are rarely be seen by divers, but in this island, it is present every single day. Malapascua Island is located at Bantayan, Cebu. 3. Pescador Island. Pescador Island is another one of the famous dive sites in the Philippines, home to thousands of sardines. It is famous for its sardine run, of which thousands of sardines gather and swim in one area. The island itself is a limestone island composed of sandy slopes and corals. There is a famous diving area called a cathedral, where there is a big hole you can swim through and explore what's underneath the island. The island is located at Moalboan, Cebu. 4. Tuba Taha Reef. Tuba Taha Reef is known to have the most remarkable coral reefs on the planet. It is situated in the Sulu Sea, which is near Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. It is a natural park protected by the government and the locals. Manta rays, turtles, amazing coral reefs, and many marine animals can be seen underwater. Although getting through here and the fees can be expensive, it will help the government to preserve this dive site. 5. Ticao Pass. Ticao Pass, popularly known as the Manta Bowl, is an amazing dive site in the Philippines located in Ticao, Masbate. It is famous for manta rays gliding around. With constant current and many planktons, it serves as a feeding ground for manta rays. 6. Puerto Gallara. Puerto Gallara is yet another recommended diving destination in the Philippines. There are around 30 dive sites in Puerto Gallara. The most popular are canyons, Shark Cave, Hole in the Wall, and Sabong Wrecks. Here you can find plenty, shipwrecks, tiny cave, pink corals, turtles, octopuses, sharks, and many more. Click here to visit all 30 plus Puerto Gallara dive sites. Puerto Gallara is located in Mindoro, Philippines. 7. World War II Shipwrecks. World War II Shipwrecks in Coron Bay, Palawan is one of the interesting dive sites in the Philippines. Most divers want to explore the sunken Japanese warships and the marine life at this site. Though it may be creepy, that's what makes it more interesting. 8. Barracuda Lake. Barracuda Lake is one of the weird dive sites in the Philippines, where there is a change in temperature and watercolor as you go deeper down the lake. It's what science called thermoclines, a visible layer of cold, warm, and hot water. What makes it more unnatural is the bottom of the lake. It is merely black. Barracuda Lake is located in Coron, Palawan. 9. Honda Bay. Honda Bay in Palawan is a beautiful dive site in the Philippines surrounded by white sand and corals. Here you can find the great population of starfish located in Starfish Island, in Honda Bay. Marine gastropod mollusk called cowrie, small to large sea snails, and many more. The marine lifeforms here are said to be almost the same as those of the Tuba Taha Reef. 10. Anilao. Anilao in Batangas is one of the popular diving destinations in the Philippines. This is a very accessible dive site since it is just a 2 to 3 hours ride from Metro Manila. Here you can find colorful corals and different fish species. Interesting life forms and coral formations can be found in Anilao. What do you think, guys? Which of the 10 do you like? Just leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook channel. Keep safe and have a good day.